Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on to share a couple of cards that I made using the items in my design team package for In Love Art Shop. And I will have all of their information in the description box. There will be a coupon code so you can save some money. And I will link the other videos for my In Love Art project shares and the unboxing if you're interested in any of that. So I've been trying to make some cards just so I will have them on hand. So I used this die here, and it is the sun and the moon. I did not use the little moon. I just used the sun, and this is the card that I made there. So when you do cut the sun out, you'll have some hollow and then some solids. And then the circle does come out, but I just popped it up, to keep it in the center. And I just made these flowers to just do a little cluster of flowers. I use this sentiment here. I put a little butterfly. And then when you open it up, it is just blank, ready for me to use. So this sentiment right here, you are my sunshine. I mean, you can use that, on a card for any occasion pretty much. So that is my card there. The little hexagon die was from my stash. So that is that one. And then the next one I made, this one here. And this is 2 pieces. You get your intricate piece and then your layering piece. These 2 dies are really, really nice size. You can see my hand there. And even the sun may not be quite as big as this one, but it's still a good size. And I will give you some measurements on those cards. Let me grab my ruler so I can see. So the sun from side to side is approximately almost 5 inches. So this card that it fits on perfect from this corner to this corner is approximately 6 inches. So 5.5, 6-inch card base would be perfect, which is a good size for a card. And then this one measures approximately 5 inches, little over 5. No, 5 inches. And I think this card base here is my card. Loving this card. Is 5 1/4. So I am having watermelon vibes. So here is my card. Look at you being awesome. So once again, I can use this pretty much for any occasion. So I just made all of my little flowers here. And this is the die. And then my inside is blank. Ready for me to use. So love these cards. So that is another card share for In Love Art Shop. I've been trying to build up my card stash. And like I said, I will have everything in the description box. I thank you all for watching, and y'all have a great rest of your day.